Hi, welcome to learnhowtogarden.com. Today's film is all about growing tomatoes in a hanging basket. If you're not subscribed to us at Learn How to Garden, there's a link above me right now. Click that link, become a subscriber. You'll get our written posts. We can tell you every single time a new film goes up. It also means you can find out what all our exclusive offers are on our gardening courses and our monthly gardening club. Lots of us love a nice hanging basket, but they don't just have to be pretty, they can be really useful. The first thing you want to think when you're looking at a hanging basket is get the biggest one that you possibly can. Now these wooden hanging baskets I think look much nicer, but obviously they would let an awful lot of soil through. So the first thing you want to do is get a basket liner. That liner goes into your basket. If you're growing edibles, what you don't want to do is have things going through the side. We then get some good multi-purpose compost, and we fill the basket about 2/3 of the way. Take your plants. Now with tomatoes, which are one of the best things obviously to grow, you want a tumbling variety. Tumbling Tom is a really good variety. It comes in both red and yellow. Or Tumbler, this is slightly taller. And what you want to do is, it'll probably take 3 here. Get your plants and space them in a triangle in the container or the hanging basket. Leave them in their pots. Take some more of your compost, pop that all the way round the pots and containers and gently firm it in using your fingers. Now I am not a fan at all of compost containing water holding gels. I really don't like them because the compost is going to be thrown into the garden afterwards. What I would highly recommend is this fantastic compost. It's made by Dalefoot. It contains wool. One of the main constituents is wool, and wool does 2 things. It gives you feed over a really long period of time, but it also has a fantastic water holding capacity, which means that your tomatoes don't dry out as quick. More nutrients stay in the hanging basket, which gives you tastier tomatoes. Once those are firmly potted in, take your pot, move it from side to side, gently invert it, use your fingers to squeeze round, out comes the perfect plant into the perfect size planting hole at the perfect depth. Out, in, gently firm around the plant. Now what we want to do with this is give it a really good water and then hang it up inside our greenhouse, certainly at this time of the year. The height of the summer, if you've got a really warm place outside, you could bring it outside and it will be quite happy. In fact, in a lot of ways, growing them in a hanging basket is really good because they're very often next to the house and they get the radiated heat from the house. So that's how to get something that's very productive, very, very tasty, but also quite beautiful. That's how to grow tomatoes in a hanging basket.